Alright, I said I was gonna vlog this trip. I ain't vlogged a trip in a while, so here we are. Yay. On our way to Punta Cana. Cana. Bradley International Airport. It's like 5:30 in the morning. I'm here for like an hour already. So, JetBlue, here we come. Whoa. Oh, keeping that. Riu Republica. I would be a little more excited, but somebody JetBlue left our luggage at our last destination, so that's a problem. Yeah, so JetBlue decided to leave our luggage in Florida. What we're gonna do with that? But here we are. Finally made it through check-in, even though we checked in on the app because that's what they suggest you to do, and then they put in all the exact information that you already put in the system. So if you're coming, don't do pre-check-in. It's pointless. There's no separate line. But we're getting to our room now, so let's see where we end up because I need a drink and cool water. I'm out body. There's no tea in body. We might be in the room that we were in last time, which would be kind of cool. Like we're going the exact same way. That's where we were last time. So we're 10 rooms up, which is nice because that's 10 rooms closer to the restaurants and 10 rooms closer to the beach area and the pool and the bars. I'll take it. All right, so this is the room as soon as we walk in. There's the front door right there. You walk in and immediately to the left is your bathroom. Decent sized shower. Little frosted glass so you can watch your significant other take a shower. Silhouette style. There I am. Woo, woo. Average toilets. Nice big closet space. Got your hangers so you can hang up all your nice stuff. That's if you have nice stuff because, you know, your luggage has to make it here first. But that's another story. There I am again. What's up? So this right here is a problem. So we were here last year and obviously COVID is gonna change everything, but this is typically filled with different liquor bottles. So not this year, but we do got a water bottle. We do get a little mini fridge stocked with your Presidente, some more water, some soda, and then I believe they'll restock it daily. So I believe they'll restock that daily, but if not, then you can just go down to the desk and get some more. So this one, we got the 1 king bed, courtyard view, good size TV, good size dresser, got all your stuff in order. Here's a jacked up sofa. I know what's up with that. I know what's up with that. And here's our nice patio. Oh, we got palm trees in the way again. So right under this is where the stage area is. They have a lot of their shows, like I think the nightly shows. So there's seating under there, and there's also all the seating over there. There's your bar, and the beach is down that way. It looks a lot farther than it actually is. We were literally like over there. I brought my drone last time, and like the battery was dead and almost landed on the roof and got stuck. So lucky that didn't hurt. So there's your king size room. I think it's time to change in whatever we got and jump in some cold water and get a friggin' drink. Let's see how this day goes. Presidente. Time to go for a walk. Cold drinks, cold pool, cold drinks, more cold drinks, maybe more cold drinks in the pool, then some pool without drinks, and then some more drinks. Then maybe we'll eat dinner. That might be a good plan. You got the key, right? Just throw it in the bag. Yeah, that sounds good with an echo. Just throw it in the bag. Let's see what we got. Let's see what I can and cannot remember. Alright, here we are down at the courtyard. This is the courtyard where we're staying. So there's your pool. So that area, like right there, is where they have their nightly entertainment. They're seating inside. Jesus! Excuse me. There's seating over there. Also, if you've never been here, right? There's a notorious cat. Like, this resort officially has its own cat called Cheddar Cheese. No, it's not. It's just cheddar. And the funny thing is, last time we were here, we saw him on a very, like, within like an hour, we saw this cat. It's a friendly ass cat. Like, it's cool with everybody.
Right here.
Like, he has his own Facebook page. So let's see if we see him and I have my camera, I'll definitely put it on. But this resort is cool. When we came last time, we noticed there's like a vast variety of age groups here, which is cool. From like 18-year-olds to 70-year-olds, and everybody's just cool as hell chilling. So that's cool. But like the 18-year-olds you see, they're not like wilding out, going crazy. Then again, I've seen some on YouTube that are, so it just doesn't happen when we're here. So let's see what happens this time. We ain't going back to the room, but I got some custom center point visuals tumblers made that are dope, and we're gonna use those for drinks. So we'll do that after. Swim up bar, regular bar. There's like mad pools here, mad bars. So we're gonna take advantage right now. Alright, so I didn't record it, but we just came from a bomb massage right there at Renovo. I'm drinking. We got the massage, facial, the pedicure, the manicure. I told my wife I was gonna cheat on her with the girl who did mine because she was touching me in the right places.
I am too.
Yeah. Check this out. Representing. Alright, so it is party boat time. I can't remember the name of the town we're in, but it's freaking beautiful out here. We came here last time we were here. They had a lot of shops and stuff. Barcelo? Yeah, I think we're in Barcelo. Look at this place. So we're on this party boat with drinks and music and everything. They're gonna take us to like a natural water pool, or what's it called? Natural pool. Beautiful water. Get some drinks over there, hang out, go snorkeling for a little bit, and enjoy our time. Party time. Ay, que lindo, chula, you're so beautiful. Ah, mi esposa. never been on these islands. I don't know Spanish.
¿No español? No.
No habla.
No.
So I don't know which one we're gonna be on, but we're gonna be on one of these party boats. Yo, this place is freaking beautiful. And it looks like they got good food here too, so maybe when we get back we'll have something to eat. I don't know what time our driver and all that stuff is getting. I'm gonna be here afterwards, but here's to some vacation mode. Let's go party. It's boarding time! Shallow waters. We're gonna decide if we're gonna go down the slide. I'm gonna just jump in the water, and I'm gonna have to test out this GoPro waterproofness because this thing's about to die. It does not look that wet. All right, mucho power grip on my GoPro. My GoPro's about to die. Ready? Go. That's shallow. Those are white people. All up in my nose.
1 minute later.
How do I say goodbye? You can talk all you want, blab on and off, blast all my flaws, and all I'ma say is I know. Cause I know. You can trash on my pride,